Hello. Hi. Okay, we are at the Fitbee headquarters. It is almost 4 o'clock. I have 3 Fitbees coming and we're going to go to a pumpkin patch and record a little promo of our newest products. So I'm getting together like all the pieces for all the girls, and I thought it would be cute because it's almost Halloween, and I found these cute little buckets at Target. This is what, I don't know, so I'm gonna try to make it look cute. Guys, let me know if you've tried this before. The Alani energy drinks. This is Witch's Brew. Can you see that? Have you tried this before? What does it taste like? I don't know, there's like caramel, like apples on it. So I wonder what it tastes like. And I got these Smart Sweets, like hello Halloween. So I was going to, hopefully this fits. Oh, and I have to like wrap this around. Does that work? Does that work? How's that? Is that cute? Is that pretty cute for Halloween? And then I'll put them in the girls' bags. I'm gonna pack up the other girls' pieces. They should be here in like 10 minutes, so. Running out of time. Okay, not surprised. Okay, but I'll tune in later and introduce you to all the little Fitbee girls, so. Okay, bye. So we are at the pumpkin patch. Hello.
Hello.
This is Caitlin.
Hello.
We're getting some dope shots for our next Fitbee shoot. We have Danny here. She's a new Fitbee. She's also a YouTuber, so I'll leave her, oh, it's not in focus at all. I'm so bad at this. I'll leave her YouTube channel in the description below. And then we also have Laura. She's one of our OG Fitbees right there. Look at her, looking like a boss Fitbee. Okay guys, that's a wrap. That was so ugly. Look at this cute boomerang we got. Okay. Okay, we just wrapped up on a Fitbee shoot at the pumpkin patch. It was very cute, very cute. Shamey did a good job. So should I insert the video into the spot so they could see what it was?
Right.
Okay, right now.
And shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, will seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, will seal your doom tonight. We're so sorry, skeletons, you're so misunderstood. Socialize.